you ever get so thirsty? Oh, don't mind me, I'm just drinking Tears of White People.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I just ate a whole... I was so hungry, y'all. I got a big old, like, to-go box of Thai fried rice with shrimp. I shouldn't have ate so much. Eat the whole thing. I'm, like, bloated right now. But it was so good. I feel sleepy. Ooh, do I have itis now? Like, I may need to go take a nap after this, for real. Wait, let me, real quick. This was my mistake. I should have did this before I even cut on the damn camera. Hold on. Give me two seconds. I think we'll be okay. Anyway, what up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. Back in the bathroom one more again. Today, on this video, we're gonna talk about like kind of like a dreadlock detox. First of all, my last video is up there. Click on that. I'll wait. Okay, so I've done a video before where I did an apple cider vinegar rinse, but I wanted to try something that wasn't so like, you gotta find all these ingredients. That's cool if you wanna do all that, but I want something a little bit like, you know, easier, simpler, cheap, you know, didn't cost as much money. With all that said, I was on Instagram, as one does, and I was just, you know, on my phone, like a little I follow this Instagram channel, Men with Locks, and they had this product on there talking about Loc Bomb Hair Detox, and I was like, a hair detox? My hair could use a detox. I haven't done an apple cider vinegar rinse in like a year, maybe even longer. I knew that, especially with the year that I've had with school, driving all. Oh, my light done flicked it off. Oh my goodness. We are having all kinds of issues today. I knew that with the year that I've had with school and work and everything and the changes that have kind of been going on, that my hair needed a cleanse, a detox. So I clicked on the link for the product. It's called the Loc Bomb Hair Detox by Salvaged Roots Hair and Beauty. I think it was $15, so not too much. It's about 2 meals at Wendy's, so I figured I could just like not go, wow, that's a lie, because I went to Wendy's yesterday. But I figure, why not try it? So I ordered it like 2.5 weeks ago, and it just came in a few days ago. So this is how it goes, okay? First thing you do, let me read y'all the directions, let me read y'all the instructions so y'all know how to do it. So when you do it, you be like, okay, bet, cool, I know what's going on. All right, so they say, fill a sink or a basin. As you can see, I used a basin with lukewarm to medium warm water. It says drop, boom, like a bass drop. Drop your Loc Bomb into the water and allow it to fully dissolve. Now this is one thing that I do have an issue with, is this next sentence, because it says soak locks for 15 to 10 minutes. Y'all mean 10 to 15 minutes? It says it right here. Fix this. Anyway, squeezing periodically to loosen debris. I don't know why they got debris in your hair, but okay. And then drain and rinse your hair, shampoo and condition hair as normal. So that's what I did. I soaked my hair for 15 minutes because since it's been such a long time, I figured I needed as much of the cleaning properties and as much of the kind of excavation of the dirt and debris in my hair. I mean debris. Y'all know I need debris, right? I'm just being funny. Come on now.
Yo, it's only been 30 seconds and I can already see a film developing on the top of the water.
But you know, so I just want to soak as long as possible. I was squeezing a little bit every now and then just to kind of get it out. And me, with my particular line of work, there's a lot of glitter involved. There was a lot, I didn't show this on camera, but there was a lot at the bottom. At the bottom of that basin was a lot of black and gold, or black and silver glitter from different nights. It got a lot of it out. It didn't get all of it, but I got a majority of the glitter out, which is so like needed because I didn't need that extra dirt. And that water went from, you know, nice and clear, like a crystal lake, to just brown. And almost like a weird, like brownish, dark green color. And I'm thinking,
you guys see how murky this water is? Like it's only been 5 minutes. All of this was in my locks. You know, the last time I did an apple cider vinegar rinse, I think was maybe 2 years ago? Maybe a year and a half. I don't know, it's been a minute. This is dirty. Although I am happy that the glitter is coming out too. Anyway.
All of that just dirt and grime and like I don't know, what was that, algae? Like, what was in my hair? Like, it's nasty. But yes, I got it out.
Okay, so as you can see, the water has gotten significantly browner, we could say, from when I started this process about 15 minutes ago. But I think we're done here. Wow. All that was in my hair, like I can't, wow, that's gross. Shoot, I was walking around with some funky locks, not no nice little locks. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go jump in the shower, rinse and shampoo and condition, and then I will be back to share with you all my thoughts about this. And I'm kind of gonna compare this to my apple cider vinegar rinse that I do, just to see how this feels in comparison with that. All right, cool.
This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just bought it and I figured I would try it and let y'all know that you should probably cop this because it's actually pretty cool. In terms of my hair, how it feels, the day of, my hair felt really soft. It was clean, it felt lighter. This is 2 days after using the Loc Bomb and my hair still feels really soft. So I use Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Ooh, it's so bright. But yeah, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo. And then I also used their something mask, their treatment mask to condition. And so both of those products, and then also this Loc Detox Balm, I just feel like my hair is like in a whole new, like, better realm, a whole like new life. Like, it's been reborn. This is like when you do, like when you get married again, when you renew your vows, like my hair has a new attitude, if you will. It's now on a ketogenic diet. Dairy is out. Red meat is out. Cheese is out. But no, for real though, like my hair just feels great. After this, I did use that mixture of oils that I put in my hair, which I'll also include right here that you can watch on what I put in my hair, because I kind of get that question every now and then, and so maybe I'll make another FAQ video because y'all keep asking. Speaking of, we gonna do a quick digression. Yes, I'm gay. That was it. That was it. We're going back on now because people keep asking me the question. Stop asking me the question. I've addressed it then and now, and you know what? This is actually going to be the last time I'm gonna address it, because there's gonna be a story time Thursday. Y'all stay tuned for that, because some people are just so ignorant. Anyway, continuing on with this video. Yes, the Loc Bomb was cool. Get it. If you don't have, the $15 to order it, put it on your birthday list. Maybe put it on your Amazon wish list. Elfster, you do Elfster. Put it on your Elfster list. Maybe someone get it for you for Christmas, or summer's come. The summer solstice. I don't know. 4th of July, okay, something. You know what's would be a cool thing? Say you got someone that's Loc Detox Bomb, right? Make a whole wellness kit. Give them the Loc Detox Bomb. Give them like a coffee scrub, a sugar scrub, a salt scrub, get their skin just exfoliated, and then give them like a personalized shea body butter. Not even shea, it could be a mango body butter, like whatever you want to do. I would love that gift because I like treating myself anyway, but that's just me. Oh, also, let me just give you all the ingredient list, just in case there's some things that you may be allergic to. I don't know. I'm not judging, I'm just letting you know. So it's got apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, citric acid, aluminum-free baking soda, sea salt, and essential oil blend. Speaking of essential oil blend, the smell, like the scent, when I dropped it into that water was just nice. It had a little bit of a like citrusy, but then also a little bit of like a kind of herbal scent to it, which was really nice. It was very pleasant. Ooh, it also says, keep out of reach of children and eyes, not recommended for color treated hair. I should have read that before. Well, my hair was dyed like over a year ago, so it's actually kind of okay, because you know why? The shampoo that I use is sulfate free. I mean, as long as you're using a color safe shampoo and conditioner, I think you may be okay using the Loc Bomb. All right, well, thank y'all for watching this video today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this product or just apple cider vinegar rinses in general, the best way to clean your hair, like how often, which I would say every 6 months, because, well, okay, wait, one quick thing. I would say to do it only every 6 months because when I did, excuse me, I just ate. But when I did the apple cider vinegar rinse, the one that I made, it's tended to strip more of the natural oils from my scalp and my hair. So my hair, even after washing, shampooing, conditioning, my hair tended to be drier with the DIY. This Loc Bomb, I feel has a better ratio of the ingredients because my hair does not have that same dry feeling that it did. Like, obviously my hair is dry because I haven't done anything to it today. Like, I didn't put any oils in it or anything yet, but like, it's not bone dry. Like, it doesn't feel like bristles. It doesn't feel like it's gonna scratch my skin. I don't feel like I'm going to get a 3rd-degree burn if I put my hands in my hair. You know what I'm saying? I would actually recommend doing this Loc Bomb as opposed to making your own apple cider vinegar rinse. Like, if you're inexperienced, like if you don't have the proper ratio or the proper measurements of all those ingredients and you make your own thing, I would just get a Loc Bomb instead, honestly. Like, just do this. It's $15. It's so much easier. You order it, you wait. The only thing though is that it did take 2 weeks to get here, but I understand it's a small business, and so, you know, people are working with what they have. So, I mean, you know, that's no tea, no shade. I'm just saying. Plan ahead, plan ahead. Think I need to wash my hair, I need to do a deep detox. So, you know, just buy it now, and then when you're ready, just pull it out your bathroom closet or whatever, your pantry, and you're good to go. Back to the outro. So if you want to hit me up on any other type of social media, like Instagram, like Snapchat, the links are also in the description box below. And of course, lastly, subscribe. You know, interestingly enough, I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, which I'm surprised hasn't happened sooner, but that's also a whole other video, which I actually don't want to even talk about, but it's what it is. If you want to subscribe, click the button. There's also the bell notification icon, so click that too. It'll let you know when I post, which is usually on a Monday, but you know, with it being summer, who knows when it'll be next, okay? Well, that's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Get the Loc Bomb, seriously. Unless you want to make your own shit, get the Loc Bomb. That's my last piece of advice too, okay? So, up in that corner, this last video is the last video. There's a playlist right there of other lifestyle and men's grooming tips that y'all should check out. There's also that circular icon right there. That's the subscribe button. Click on that. And I will see y'all in the next video, whenever that'll be, alright? So, peace, be breezy, and keep it locked, y'all.